guys, how's it going? Welcome back to SinghCanStyle, and you're back with Kamaljeet Singh. So today I'm going to talk all about accessories, what you should wear, and how to up the ante of any suit and make you look Dapper and just like Daniel Craig and James Bond. So we'll start off with pocket squares. So I've got a pocket square here. This is brown and this is very silky, guys. Looks amazing with any suit that you wear. And it gives you a nice professional look also, but mostly these are used in party wear, and normally I'd wear this matching to my turban or a cloth here named 50. So you can always just add sophistication with these simple things, guys. So I'll show you a quick tutorial. I've got another one here, pink. And so first of all, I'm going to fold it in half this way, fold it in half this way. So now I've got a perfect square, as you can see. Nice and easy, guys. Now I'm going to twist it this way, any way you want. Just has to be facing this way and in a diagonal shape. Okay, so let's get it together now. Now I'm going to fold inside and fold again. So now you should get something like this. Okay, nice and easy. We've got that. So once you tuck it in your pocket, this will how it look. It'll look something like that, guys. So that just adds sophistication to a very simple, uniform look, and I'm telling you guys, it'll look absolutely amazing, and everyone must wear this in party wear if they've got a plain suit and don't know how to style it, because it'll look absolutely amazing. And if you match it with your turban or any other accessory that you want, or suit or shirt even, it looks absolutely fabulous, guys. Must wear. And if you want to look Dapper, look elegant, style it your own way, I'm sure you'll love it. And now I'll go through the tie-pins that I have, my collection, and why you should wear one. So first of all, I'm showing you a nice, simple, sleek design, and this one just has a black ring and just the silver coating around it. It's a very simple one, gives you a nice and professional look. And now I've got the plain silver. So this is something that goes with everything, and I suggest if you do get a tie-pin, get a designer one like the one before, but get something plain as well that you can pull off with everything. And I'd get it in something like gold as well. So this is gold, a very nice sleek design. Guys, tie-pins are absolutely amazing. Not only do they keep your ties tucked in, but also they make a simple uniformed look very sophisticated, guys. As I said before, if you want a simple design and don't want to overdo yourself, but you also want to look great in the same time, it's good to add something like a tie-pin, a small accessory. I know we have bracelets, watches, and other things to add to the complexity of the uniform or the professional look that we want, but adding tie-pins make it look absolutely fantastic, guys. It finishes the overall look and also keeps your tie tucked in. And just letting you know, because I've made this mistake previously, and a lot of men actually surprisingly don't know, when they tuck in their tie, so I'll just use this like that. Tuck it in properly, guys. If you just use it for the tie, let's say this is the tie, it does not serve its benefit of keeping the tie tucked in and straight instead of the tie moving here and there. So use a tie-pin for what it's worth and what its purpose serves, guys. Learn how to use a tie-pin properly, and I'm sure there's many people that know how to use it already, which is great, fantastic news, guys. Just keep on wearing those tie-pins. And last of all, I would also say a common mistake using tie-pins is, so if I've got a tie-pin here, people put it down here. Guys, if you see this is my chest, I'll just use this line. It should be around here, guys. So if you're wearing a tie, somewhere around here, max, probably down there. Nothing below here, guys. So this is probably around my pecs, chest area, nothing below there. Tie-pins always looks better if it's just around here. Not too high, not too low, but just around this red area is perfect, guys. So always wear a tie-pin. Use a pocket square if you can. You know how to do this as well now. Looks amazing, guys. I'll have more videos on accessories and sure to help you look Dapper, just like Daniel Craig and James Bond. help you look more elegant and be better versions of yourself. This is SinghCanStyle from Kamaljeet Singh. Hope this helps. Love, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much.